So, hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well and fit at your homes. Today in this video, we read chapter number 2, Physical Education, class 11. This is your book, and chapter 2 is Olympic Value Education. So, these topics we cover in this chapter. First is Olympics, Paralympics, and Special Olympics. Second one is Olympic symbols, ideals, objectives, and value of Olympic. Third one, International Olympic Committee, and the last topic is Indian Olympic Association. So in this video we read Olympics, Paralympics, and Special Olympics. So first of all, we read the history of Olympics. History reveals that Hercules come to the Olympics to offer sacrifices to god Zeus. He celebrates his victory by organizing an athletic contest, and gradually these games were forgotten until when Iphitus became the king of Hellas. Around 776 BC, these games were organized at the city named Olympia as a religious festival. These games were held in the honor of god Zeus, who once appeared on the ground of Olympia. These games were held in the honor of god Zeus, as we know, and son of Zeus is Hercules, started various games and sports in the honor of his father. So now we read about the modern Olympic Games. So modern Olympic game is a revival work of the game was undertaken by the Baron Pierre de Coubertin nearly 1503 years after the last ancient game. A French research delegation which was led by Pierre Baron de Coubertin went to Greece, and there they got archaeological rule and runs of city of Olympia. During a conference of Sorbonne, he first said the restoration of the Olympic Games. He further added that the game would strengthen amateur sports to give them strength and lasting quality for the essential role in the world of modern education. So a term of delegation was formed which was led by Baron Pierre de Coubertin and associated and created International Olympic Committee to oversee them and do of these hard efforts of the first modern Olympic game held in 1896 at Athens, Greece, and since then these games are held every 4 years. So now we read about the Olympics. Olympic is a word is Olympic movement means to effort which we taken during the period between ancient Olympic games to the organization of modern Olympic game. In comparison of other games, Olympic game is unique because athletes from all over the world participate in it. These games are considered to be the highest level of games, means nothing big competition than Olympic games. So the objective of Olympic game is to promote games and sports in the world. To understand the history of Olympic game, we should be aware about the ancient Olympic games also, as well as in the modern Olympic games. Olympic games are organized after every 4 years by the governing bodies named by International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee included national Olympic associations, international sports committees, players, referees, coaches, Olympic Game Organization Committee, and Manifesto of Olympics, etc. Now the objective of Olympic game, as we all read this. Now we read about the Paralympic Games. So Paralympic game is a multi-sports event for athletes which with physical, mental and sensorial disabilities. These games are held every 4 years. The IPC organizing summer and winter Paralympics. The Paralympic game organized as the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Great Britain. In 1944, the Dr. Ludwig Guttmann, a German spinal injury doctor, he treated in the hospital in war veterans through rehabilitation sports. These gradually involved the recreational sports and then to competitive sports. The Stoke Mandeville Games were first organized in 1948 with London Olympic Games, and they were later called the Paralympic Games. In 1960, they took place in Rome, Italy. Since then, they has taken place every 4 years. So if we read about the Paralympic values, so first is courage. Through their performance, para-athletes showcase of the world what can be achieved by testing one's body its to absolute limits. Second word is determination. Para-athletes have a unique strength to characterize their combined mental thoughtness, physical ability and outstanding agility to produce sports performance that regularly redefine the boundaries of prosecutables. Third one is inspiration. As a role model, para-athletes maximum their abilities, thus empowering and exciting others to participate in sports. And the last one is equality. Through sports, para-athletes challenge stereotype and transform attitude. They help increases inclusions by breaking down social barriers and discrimination toward people with special need. So the motto of the Paralympic is, the Paralympic motto is Spirit in Motion, and the motto was included in 2004 at the Paralympic game in Athens, and the previous motto was Mind, Body and Spirit, which was introduced in 1994. Now we read about the Special Olympics. So Special Olympic is the world's largest sports organization for the children and adults with intellectual disability and physical disabilities, providing year-round training and competitions to 5 million athletes and unified sports partners in 172 countries. And the first game were held on July 20, 1968 in Chicago. The first World Winter Game were held in 1977 in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And if we read the Special Olympic World Game is a major event put on by the Special Olympic, and the World Game alternate between summer and winter games in 2-year circles, recurring every 4 years. If we read about the Summer Olympic Game, so or the game of the Olympic first held in 1896, is an international multi-sports event hosted by the different city every 4 years. The International Olympic Committee organizes the game and observes the host city preparation in each Olympic event. Gold medals are awarded for first place, silver medal are awarded for second place and bronze medal are awarded for third place. This tradition began in 1904. So the symbol of the Special Olympic is joy and happiness to all the children of the world. The logo of the symbol of growth, confidence and joy among children and adults with disabilities who are learning coordination, mastering skills, participating in competitions and preparing themselves for richer, more productive lives. In 2018, the Chicago Park District elected in 9.1 in the Aton Frame of Hope in honor of the Special Olympic. and in this video we read this topic. As 18 countries has hosted the Summer Olympics, the United States has hosted 4 Summer Olympics in 1904, in 1932, in 1984 and in 1996, more than any other nations. And the Great Britain has hosted 3 Summer Olympics in 1908, 1948 and 2012, all in London. 4 cities has hosted 2 Summer Olympics: Athens in 1896 and 2004, Paris 1900 and 1924, and Los Angeles in 1932 and 1984. And the last one is Tokyo in 1964 and 2020, which were not organized